So this is the CR500 aluminum frame project.
I'm concerned with this kicker.
It's a little sketchy.
Ready for racing?
Oh, God.
Oh, boy. She almost fired.
That's what happens when you get a bike in Westport. What's up, YouTube? Now, I know it's been quite a while since I made a video. We've actually been crazy busy. Just got so much going on in our lives right now. But anyway, if you followed us on Instagram, you would have saw about a year ago, a good buddy of mine, Mike Rushford. This is Mike Rushford, better known as Kippy.
Hey, guys.
That is Mike Rushford. Awesome friend of mine, been friends for years. He's a goofball. We always have fun and joke around. I finally got a video of him acting goofy. Anyway, before we get going, hit that subscription button, hit the bell. You guys got to get notifications on these videos. We have so much content coming up here in the future. When this channel gets to 50,000 subscribers, we are going to be giving away a full trike kit or a big wheel kit. So I actually thought of that today. If you aren't a trike guy and you just like two-wheelers, we will be giving away one of those at 50,000 subscribers to one lucky subscriber. So if you guys don't want to miss out on some freebies, you got to subscribe to the channel. Let's get into the video.
Oh, God.
This thing's pretty, show everybody the kickstart. I actually picked up a CR500 converted CR250. So this bike started life as a CR250 and it was already converted by the previous owner. We got this bike, like I said, about a year ago, and he finally brought it down to me. We stripped the bike down, we did a full inspection. I mean, this thing was haggard together. She's pretty sloppy, eh?
Pretty good condition.
Look at that. Yeah. She's a little rough.
Ready for
it's a 500 though. It looked to be spool gun welded, nothing was cleaned. I mean, they did a good job lining the motor up. The chain lined up perfect. Everything lined up great. The only issue was the welds, the quality of the way it was converted. So we got this bike here and we, like I said, we went through it. We fixed all the issues and now we're getting it back together. So this thing is fully powder coated. Suspension's been redone. We're putting modern parts on it as we go, like a plastic restyle kit. So we don't do a lot of dirt bike builds. This one's gonna be a dirt bike. So it's a little bit change of pace for us. We have obviously built hundreds of dirt bikes over the years. So you're not taking it down off the truck?
No.
Come on.
Absolutely not. I don't know if I should leave a choke on or off.
I don't know.
I
I just work here.
I'm gonna break the fucking case before I use it.
Brought his boot and everything.
Gosh,
It's so sloppy.
fucking thing! Starts first kick! Dude, that just hurt my foot just doing that. I think I'm done already.
No.
No, I'm serious.
Got this. Guess you gotta sell it to me then.
Oh my fucking God. This is a nightmare.
Just give her a good...
Fuck this thing. Well, not me, not now. I gotta loosen it.
And we're gonna take it down and push start it. There's no reason to even kick it. So let's get into this build. We're gonna do everything from get the chassis back together with fresh powder coat, suspension rebuild, the motor's getting completely rebuilt, so let's get into it. So guys, what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna put up some pictures of how this thing looked before. I did not get a lot of video footage of the assembly. Tim kind of just jumped on this thing and honestly had it assembled by the time I got here. He's an early bird, he gets here at 6, I get here for 8. So he had this thing pretty much already assembled, which obviously a dirt bike goes together really fast. let's just, I guess, talk about what we did. So obviously the bike was torn down. We powder coated everything that we could. The finish on the forks was actually pretty rough. This thing had some time on it. Replaced all the seals, did the fluid. The internals actually looked great on the suspension. This frame, I mean, it was just cobbled together. You know, there was a big slug that was shoved in here, and they kind of bubble gum welded on each side of it. Other than that, I mean, for what they did, it looked to me like they had just cut it in multiple spots, stretched it forward, and put new motor mounts in the front. Everything did line up pretty good. You know, they didn't have a CDI box mount, they didn't have a coil mount. Everything was just kind of floating around on top of the head. So we obviously fixed all that. Of course, the radiators they had were pretty rough, so we got brand new radiators. We're going to be fixing those up. That's going to be in the second part of this this video. But right now, I just want to give you guys an update on where we've been. Just have a lot of projects going on, and not a lot of time, but I wanted to at least get something up on here for you guys. So the rear shock was torn apart, and we powder coated the spring, placed all the internals, did the bump stop. All the linkage bearings, swing arm bearings. These are updated rims from a newer bike. That's why the tires have a little bit of dirt on them. That's all going to get cleaned before we finish the build. He does have the restyle kit for the plastic, which is pretty sweet. So this is about where it's at right now. I'm going to put up some clips in this video of getting the motor together, so stay tuned for that. And I am going to stop at a certain point. I'm gonna leave this motor off right here, so stay tuned for the next video. I could get technical and go through everything we did, but if you guys want to see a good two-stroke video, check out our CR250 video. I do have some specifics on how I install bearings and do all that stuff. Yeah, guys, this thing is gonna be sweet when it's done. It feels good to do a dirt bike video and a dirt bike build finally. It's just been trike. There's so many more two-wheeler videos coming up, so if you guys are into two-wheelers, definitely subscribe to this channel. And again, we're giving away either a big wheel kit or a full trike kit at 50,000 subscribers. We're well over 30,000 now. So just want to thank all you guys that have followed us and religiously watch our videos. We really do appreciate it. Now stay tuned for a video on that guy right there. That's another cool build that we're gonna get into in another video. So thanks, guys. Appreciate the support.
You'd probably do a regular walk on my right foot.
You don't got your special kicking boots?
It looks like she's leaking some fuel. It's pretty common. Leaking something.
Everything's leaking. But it's a CR500.
Yep. Nice. Nice ride. CR250 chassis. Weighs in
2002.
She weighs in wet about 205.
Oh man, you could smell the fuel too. It's just flooded already. You gotta take it around the yard. This is where we make all our vids.
Oh yeah.
You ready?
Yep. We'll get it fired up. I'll be right on that.
I'll get you a helmet. I'll get you an open face helmet for all the safety.
Yep.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Wanted one for a long time, but everybody wants a CR500 at some point. Like.
Yep.